and at the end, vision and mission. So let's check what is the mission and vision for the WordHero. 5 best gaming laptops and $1,000 in 2023. I'm again writing this title here, so let's check the results. So the vision is to provide the best gaming laptops and $1,000 in 2023, helping gamers everywhere enjoy the latest technology at a reasonable price. And what's the mission? Mission to deliver high quality gaming laptops that meet the demands of modern gamers while staying within budget constraints. We will carefully research and test each product before making it available, ensuring only the best gaming laptops are available to our customer. So the next one is to provide the best gaming experience possible to gamers across the world by offering the highest quality gaming laptops and $1,000 in 2023. Mission. Our mission is to provide gamers with an affordable and reliable laptop that offers a top of the line gaming experience. We will strive to offer the latest technology features and capabilities at an unbeatable price point. So amazing. WordHero writes vision and mission for us for this title. So let's move on the website about us.